This is Adam Shelton, the captain here, and welcome to another edition of ClearCryptos, Know, Trust, and Act. And today's episode, we're talking about that dirty word of rug pull. I know, we've all been rug pulled. I hope you haven't been. I know I have before, because we don't want seeing charts that looks just like this. If you've been rug pulled, let me know in the comment line, because this channel is to help educate you in cryptocurrency and more, because I don't want you looking like this on a Sunday morning or even on a Friday night because you've been rug pulled. Now, I'm going to tell you what a rug pull is and a couple of signs to identify a rug pull. Now, let me highlight this because this is very, very important. A rug pull is a malicious maneuver in the cryptocurrency industry where crypto developers basically abandon a project and run away with investors' funds. Now, rug pulls usually happens in the decentralized finance or DeFi ecosystem, especially on decentralized exchanges or DEX. Malicious individuals can create a token and then list it on the DEX and then pair it with a leading cryptocurrency like Ethereum and BNB. Now, I'm going to give you a couple of signs to look out for any type of rug pull, how to spot it, because you'll be Mrs. or Mr. Spot right now. Okay. First thing is the same layout. Now, this is a good place to start just because if you see the same layout over and over again, this could be a sign because it could be using the same code from a swap or something like that. So definitely look out for a similar layout. The second thing, liquidity. Now, checking liquidity is actually only something you can do if you're investing in a certain token and not an actually project like Aave, Curve, or anything like that. Checking the amount of liquidity is a very powerful indicator of how likely a token is to be scammed. So make sure you check the liquidity. The third thing is the weird social authority. So it could be a lot of influencers basically promoting a certain coin or token. 90 buy on this channel, absolutely not. But just look out for if it's a lot of A-list celebrities or your favorite influencers telling you about the honeypot with the next big project. That's just an example. Well, you want to make sure you do your research on that project anyway before you invest into any project. Okay. The fourth thing is the white paper. So the white paper, make sure the white paper at least makes sense. Do you know how when you go to buying a course or product that everything on the sales page has been vetted to make sure it's the best to get you emotional buying response? Well, a white paper can do the same thing. So make sure you go through the white paper and it makes sense. And you also want to go to Token Sniffer and other technically areas to make sure things match for you as well. A second one here, or the fifth one here, looking deeper into the code. This may be one of the best ways to avoid a rug pull. Is simply looking at the code of the smart contract or the token contract or token code. There are many ways to do this, but the best is to go to your favorite blockchain explorer and use the contract inspecting tool to what the heck I'm saying. In simple explanation, to smart the contract, you basically want to make sure this is good. The best way you want to do this, take this through Token Sniffer, right? So take the contract, go to Token Sniffer. Hey, I said it right before it said here. Take it through Token Sniffer, and then you can get the information from there as well. So Token Sniffer is a good place to spot a contract in terms of the coding and things like that. Now, the next thing is check wallets for whales. Now, a lot of people do this. A lot of whales comes through here. So basically, if they're buying on Ethereum, Polygon, Binance, you can go to the actually Etherscan or the contract addresses and do your research on there. If more than 20% of the tokens held by one wallet, or even the top 10 wallets held or hold more than 20%, it means you could be getting rugged. So the idea here is that one person could sell all their tokens and then basically probably easy way to spot a rug. So make sure that you don't see like a couple of people own majority of the supply. So that's a good way of really identifying a rug pull, because rug pulls is definitely out there in cryptocurrency. As we get to mainstream adoption and regulation to clean this up, I don't want you looking like this on a Sunday morning. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. ClearCryptos, Know, Trust, and Act. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.